Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to contact MyEtherWallet support. If you have any questions or queries throughout your MyEtherWallet journey, then you can simply contact the MyEtherWallet support section and get answers for any queries or problems that you have. The first thing to do is to simply open the MyEtherWallet application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your wallet, and then from the main homepage of MyEtherWallet, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the contact support option. Simply tap on contact support and you will come across several methods you can contact MyEtherWallet support from. You can simply send messages to MyEtherWallet customer service by tapping on the messages option and then tap on send us a message. Go ahead and choose one of the options displayed on the screen you need help with, and you will receive possible help from the customer support team. You can also reach out to MyEtherWallet's customer support by choosing the help option and choose from a wide range of topics, including how to use your wallet, troubleshooting common issues, and security best practices. You can browse the Help Center articles and follow through the prompts in order to find the answer to your question in the Help Center. That is how you can easily contact MyEtherWallet support if you need any kind of a help or problem-solving techniques while operating the MyEtherWallet platform. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.